Turn your home baking or kitchen creations into mouth-watering photographs with our hints and tricks to food photography. There are a lot of photographers who swear by only using natural lighting, as the results from your flash can be too harsh on your subjects. While this might be true, you still need to be careful what natural light you're using. Try to avoid the direct sunlight that's coming through your windows, as this may add an undesired look to paler foods and white plates. Instead, look for those shaded areas where the light coming in is much softer, or try to soften the light yourself with tracing paper or a curtain. Shadows can help to add texture, shape and depth to your food. When you're setting up your shot, move the plate around or the angle in which you're shooting so you can get the light falling in the right place for you. Your composition is what will make or break your shot, and for food photography it's so important to choose the right angle to shoot from. This will depend entirely on the food you're photographing. If it's a flat subject such as a smoothie bowl, donut or pizza, a bird's eye view shooting down tends to look the best. If your subject has some height to it, like a fully loaded burger or pasta dish, try shooting straight at it or at a tilted 45-degree angle. This will help to show off the defining features. To ensure the colours of your food are true to life, adjust your white balance. Depending on what your light source is, you may find yourself needing to custom set this. It's easily done in camera. Just find something that's actually white, like a white piece of paper, and tell the camera that that is white for the light that you're under. This will give you far more freedom when it comes to arranging your layout, setting the scene, or making those small adjustments. It'll also help to add stability to your shots by eliminating any unwanted shake. To make your main subject pop, try using a shallower depth of field to draw the viewer's eye straight into it. Props should complement your food, so don't go overboard on this bit. Try adding a few sprinklings of the ingredients around your main subject, or cutlery if your food is plated, to give the illusion to the viewer that they could just dive straight in and eat it. Your background choices, just like your props, should be complementing the food you're shooting. Try adding contrasting colours together as you do this, so if you were shooting some brightly coloured cakes, pop them onto a darker plate, or if you're shooting food that is dark in colour, pop it onto a white plate. It's not all about the plates though. Try printing off some of your own backgrounds that mimic the effect of wooden chopping boards, slate or tiles. The longer you leave your dish out for, the more likely it is to look tired, wilted or dry. Work as quickly as possible, but if you do find your food starting to look tired, give it a spritz of water to rejuvenate it for things like fruit and veg, or a brush of oil if it's a meaty dish. It may sound like a cliche, but it's very true for food photography. The more you practice with different subjects, the easier it becomes to set up that perfect shot. I hope you found these tips useful. If you have, give us a like, don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.